Hi, I'm Kay with Modest Me Designs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a crafter, and on this channel we will be doing DIY projects for yourself, your home, and we will be doing home decor and organization. My goal is to have a new video available to you every Tuesday. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when new videos are loaded. Today we're going to be working on a small floral centerpiece for Valentine's Day. This centerpiece will be the perfect size for a small kitchen, especially if you have a table for 2 or 4. Or, based on its size, it could probably be used on any table or shelf throughout your home. We're starting with the following supplies. Here I have some dry styrofoam. I've cut cubes from a large block of styrofoam that you can get from the dollar store. I just took my electric knife, kind of lined it up with what I thought the right cube size should be, sliced it this way, and then that way again, down that side, and then I turned it and sliced it again, so I ended up with blocks. I wanted the block to be large enough to fit into the bottom of this bowl, so that I can put some flowers in there and give them a little bit of sturdiness, and still put some filling around the side so that you won't see the styrofoam. Then we're also going to use this little small bouquet, which is from the Dollar Tree, and it has 4 roses and 2 red hearts and a little bit of baby's breath, which is really cute. And I also bought, excuse the rattling, 2 bags of decorative shred in red and in white. So let me get started, and I can tell you a little bit more about the purpose of these while I'm working. So this is going to be a quick one. We serve Sunday brunch at my church, and we have small cafe tables, and so I wanted to make a little centerpiece. We currently have little centerpieces on there that have Christmas designs in there, and I'm going to take those out and replace them with some Valentine designs. So I get to make 12 of these, but they're quick. It won't take long at all. So again, we're starting with the little dollar vase from the Dollar Tree, the small one. And I'm going to just, now if I were making this to stay permanently, I would use glue, but I'm not. I'm going to try to just make this for to use just for the Valentine season, and then we'll take the Valentine bouquet out and replace it with something else for spring. So again, I've put my small cube of styrofoam in the vase, and I need this, kind of estimate how far high up I want it to stand. So I'm thinking about there, which means that the bottom needs to be trimmed some. And you can see how far it's hanging beneath the vase at about this second little notch. So this little notch here is where I'm going to cut. I'm sorry, you're also going to need some wire cutters if you're dealing with a small vase like I am. So putting it right there. It takes me 2 hands to do this. See if I can get it. And I'm glad there's no one else in the room because these always go flying. So what I'm going to do is put 2 blocks of styrofoam in here. So it'll be nice and tall, and it'll kind of help to make this whole piece sturdy. I'm going to raise the leaves up so they'll be out of the way when we're pushing it down into the styrofoam. And I'm going to push them down in here. Get it in as much as I can. And that's going to, well, it didn't tilt. Last time I tried it, it tilted a little. Just for the sake of showing you, because the others I won't be filling in until I actually get them to the church. And I'm going to take out the shreds, and I'm just going to fill it in around the sides. You see I'm tucking it in all the way around. Once I get it in there, it holds it sturdy so it's not falling over. And then I'm going to keep filling it in until the green styrofoam is hidden. Okay. There we go. And then, as I said in my Valentine wreath tutorial, the next part is about shaping and fluffing and bringing it to life. So I'm gonna kind of pull these apart, not drastically, so that we bring it to life. Keep the taller toward the center, the roses to each side, having the greenery stand up, and just like this would make a nice little centerpiece. And you're getting the top angle, and I'll have to turn it around for you, turn the camera around for you later. Oops, sorry about that, shaking the camera. So you're getting the top angle. I think you can already see that's kind of like just a cute little decorative centerpiece. Okay, so I'm gonna change the angle of the camera so you can get another view of how this is going to look on the table. So here we go. Cute little centerpiece to be used at my church on our cafe tables for the Valentine season. We serve brunch on Sunday mornings after service. It just gives us an opportunity to get together with friends and greet visitors. Just a time of fellowship. We serve a light brunch, and these will be on each table. So what I'll do is finish making the rest, and then when I get them set up at church, I'll let you see how they look. the Valentine centerpiece and that you'll take the time to make one for yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when all my videos are uploaded. And if you can, please leave a comment so we can get to know each other a little better. Well, thanks again for spending time with me, and I'll talk to you again real soon.